today. So it's a little after 7 AM. Excuse the state of me, I've literally just popped my eyebrows on. We're actually I'm whispering because Darcy and Ollie are still asleep, as you just saw my clip. We're actually taking them to Peppa Pig World today, and it's a surprise, so we haven't told them. So we did this last year and we managed to surprise them, so I'm going to try and do it again this year. So they think they're going to their auntie's house to wait for a washing machine to be delivered with me and their daddy. So you might see us popping bikes and things in the car. We're literally just doing it to go with the story. So fingers crossed we manage to pull this off. But if you want to spend the day with us today, please keep watching.
No.
You okay? Guess what?
What?
Oh, are you tired, Olive Drops? We're not going to Haley's house now.
We're going to Peppa Pig World?
We're going to Peppa Pig World.
Yay! I was worried about
We're going to Peppa Pig World, Ollie.
No, no.
We are.
No, no.
I promise we are, Dad, aren't we?
Yep. Gonna have the day at Peppa Pig World.
Is that good?
You're tricking me.
I'm not tricking you, I promise.
That day, I'm going to Haley's house.
No, we're going to Peppa Pig World.
We're going to Peppa Pig World.
What about a washing machine?
There is no washing machine. We tricked you. Hayley was in on the trick. Yes, please. Thank you. Go on then.
People are in the park, I ain't going nowhere.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Oh my god.
Don't spin it now, okay?
What?
First ride of the day and Mummy and Daddy will be dizzy. She's spinning it. Darcy.
What can you see then? See what you see.
Imagine if that happened.
You having fun?
Yeah.
You having fun, Ollie? Yeah? Going on the boats, aren't we? We're going to go on that one after. We like that one, don't we?
You want to be filmed, didn't I?
Oh.
You're on the back. Let the group crash.
Sit down, sit down. Who does that, Ollie? What is it? Say again? Share the love, peace.
Not very hungry.
Yummy sandwich.
Where's that?
Hey?
Where's that?
Bit of after.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down.
Gonna go on that one? Come on then. Olive.
Come in.
Nice burger.
Yes, please.
There you are, guys.
Thank you.
Give the doors push, guys, they'll open her.
Okay, push the doors then. That's it. Do you want something there with Ollie? Oh.
Charlie, yeah?
Right, listen, you got to sit down to be nice, okay?
Come on, guys, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello to you all. Queen, welcome to my castle.
Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay.
All right, Darcy. Hello. Here comes Ollie. okay? Is that fun? Is that good, Darth?
We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last.
Scary?
Well, what do you think? It's got dinosaurs.
I can hear one. Can you hear that? I can hear it.
We hope you enjoy your tour.
Can you see Darth?
Please don't feed the dinosaurs.
Don't feed the dinosaurs.
Might feed it a little broken in Darcy though.
Yeah, because Darcy's a bit cheeky. We'll feed Darcy to the dinosaur.
Fearsome creatures ever to have walked the
Yeah,
earth.
please.
See, hear, and believe.
Yeah, you and Darcy driving.
You
Alright, Dan.
with the only remaining living dinosaurs on Earth.
Would all explorers please report to base control? Next team is ready.
G'day guys, how's it going? You guys ever been on a dino safari before? Well, sit back and prepare to be totally blown away. Quick hand of rock. That's a Minosaurus. Man, she's got a nest, look. With eggs in it. Whoa! Did you hear that? Right. That sounded mighty close. Okay, so I know I may come across as a fearless, intrepid explorer. Deep down, I'm a safety man. So please remain seated, keep your arms and legs in the car. at all
Playing?
times.
Oh, what's happened?
You're talking about safety. Here's my arrow. Good job I had my belt on. It was a bit of a bumpy landing. Wasn't expecting it. Best get out.
I think your camera's a bit wet.
Ollie, what's behind you? What's that?
Wow, this is math.
Wow. What's that?
He wants to eat you, Mummy. What's here?
We're just waiting to go on the big roller coaster.
I could never want to play.
Ollie's just been on this one.
Hello, Mummy.
How was it? How was it, mate?
Oh, brutal.
That's what do you reckon?
Cat.
Do it again?
Yeah.
You do it again?
No, she wants to go on again, so you can go on it.
Oh, absolutely no, I'm done.
I am not feeling great. Pardon?
remember growing up.
I don't think I was cut out for spinny rides. Well, Dash, you just threw it in, babe. Yeah, I'm feeling a bit fragile. I feel like I've been out drinking all night. You didn't even get to go on that big one either. You've missed out on all these spinny ones.
Done, mate. I told you. Can't.
Oh, go that big one. Mummy's the best.
So sick. Converse are rubbing.
Are they?
Not the most comfiest of trainers.
No, you should just have your toes out like me.
Okay. Alright.
So we did this. Tom got out of this one as well because
Yeah, I would have done that one.
there was no seat because of social distancing.
It's fast.
So Ollie did that one, didn't you, Ollie? You were good, and we did that one over there. So far you've preferred the bigger bit than the Peppa.
Have you just the other one?
Yeah, you've done all those over there, haven't you?
Yeah. I've done that one.
And you wanted to go on the go-karts, but they're not out today. What is it? Secret door.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy,
I could stay in a hotel so I could go tomorrow.
Oh, Ollie's upset because we're going home. Can you say thank you everybody for watching?
Thank you everybody for watching.
And
please like and subscribe to Mummy's YouTube channel. And we'll see you next time. Bye bye.
bye bye. So you say bye bye, Ollie.
Bye bye.
Good boy.
Bar with neon lights.